What's the meaning of attempt? Attempt. Attempt.
Attempt. Attempt. Attempt means to make an effort or try to do something, especially something that is challenging or difficult. It implies that the outcome is uncertain and depends on various factors such as skill, luck, and circumstances. The result of an attempt can range from success to failure, and the degree of success or failure can vary. Ultimately, an attempt is an act of striving towards a goal, and whether it is successful or not, it can be a valuable learning experience that contributes to personal growth and development.